Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Medico. Today's interesting topic is subclavius. It can be asked as a 3-marker in the exam. The subclavius, as the name suggests, it's a muscle which is present beneath this collarbone. So what is this collarbone? This collarbone is clavicle. So the location of this muscle is underneath the clavicle. So this clavicle, if I show it in anatomical position, this is the clavicle is there. From your side, from anatomical position, it will be the reverse fashion. That is, it will be like this, curved, and the cylindrical portion is on the medial side, the flatter portion on the lateral side. So this is the medial, this is the lateral side of the clavicle, right clavicle I'm talking about. So this muscle will be underneath the clavicle. So here will be the first rib, okay, it's hidden underneath the clavicle. This anterior portion of the first rib is cartilaginous, and the costal cartilage will be there from here. So the muscle subclavius takes origin from the upper surface of the first rib at this costochondral junction. Costo means rib, chondral means cartilage. So this is the origin of the subclavius muscle, whereas the insertion is underneath the middle 1/3 of the clavicle. So this is the insertion underneath the middle 1/3 of the clavicle. That area is called as subclavian groove. I repeat, the origin is from the first rib. To be more specific, at the costochondral junction, this area. What is the insertion? The insertion is the first rib. At what point? The middle 1/3 of clavicle. So this is the medial part, this is the lateral part, 1/3. This portion will be the middle 1/3. So middle 1/3 of the clavicle, on the inferior aspect, there is a groove, subclavian groove. Now to subclavius. It's a branch of upper trunk of brachial plexus. There is one upper trunk of brachial plexus here. From there, and now it will come like this. It passes underneath the clavicle like this to supply this muscle. Now to subclavius. The action of this subclavius is it steadies the clavicle during movement of the shoulder joint. Try to move your shoulder. See, the clavicle is trying to come off from its place. Okay, that is prevented by this muscle. So the prime movement is it prevents the displacement of the clavicle like this by holding the clavicle onto the rib, the first rib. So therefore, it steadies the clavicle during shoulder movements. Also, it acts as a cushion for the axillary vessels and the trunks of the brachial plexus. It protects the underlying vessels and nerves, the trunks of brachial plexus and the axillary vein, axillary artery, that is other action. So to summarize, the location of the subclavius, it's underneath the clavicle, origin first rib at costochondral junction, insertion clavicle, that is inferior surface of clavicle, the middle 1/3 called a subclavian groove. Action, it studies the clavicle during shoulder movement. Nerve supply, now to subclavius. Thank you for watching and learning from Logic Medico. Don't forget to press the thumbs up icon and support this video. Share this video with your friends too. Thank you. Kindly consider subscribing. Bye.